Welcome back to GPT Construction, Masonry, and Design. I just wanted to walk you around this little outdoor living space we created here. This is actually a 1909 house down here in Old Sacramento on the Fab 40s. There was a unit here. We tore it all out and reconfigured everything. Let's take a walk around this beast. So yeah, we ran gas through the patio to our new fire pit. We built this real beautiful wide bench. Turned out real nice. Dual burner fire rings here, 30-inch. Everything's veneered with a clinker brick. There's our beautiful bar. Down here everything's gray, to stay with the time. So these are just stained natural gray. Just beautiful. Turned out great, man. All this flagstone patio is here. The only ones that give you a full 12-inch GPT Construction. Over here we got our full layout, man. The 36-inch Ruby barbecue. Just beautiful. Double doors. We left our old faucet there. There was a sink right there, see, and it's kind of history, so we left it. Outfitted this whole thing with low voltage lights. Those are on a separate switch, so you can turn on as overheads, plus lit up underneath. What you're looking at there is our new power burner that Sunstone came out with. It's a power burner, pizza cooker with a pizza stone, and then I'm gonna pop this open. Bam, Mongolian grill with the triple drawers underneath. Just beautiful. We got our sink, cold water sink, single door, and our 4.4 cubic foot fridge. Came together real nice. Thanks for coming by and seeing what we do here at GPT Construction, where everything we do is full masonry and built to last. Remember, always say no to prefab.